Christ died for the world, unlimited atonement. The Bible teaches that Christ's sacrifice is sufficient for all mankind, even though every person is not saved. God is too holy to ignore sin, and sin must be atoned for. Atonement means reconciling sinful humanity with a holy God, primarily through a sacrificial act that covers or pays for sin, enabling forgiveness and restoring relationship and reconciliation. Atonement is paying what must be paid, the penalty of death, to settle God's righteous claim against us. The only death that satisfied the demand was the death of Christ. It was unlimited in its value. It was for all mankind. He died for the sins of the world. But at the same time, the death of Christ is effective only to those who believe. He who believes in me, Jesus said, he will be saved. And he who does not believe will be condemned. Unlimited atonement should not be confused with the universal salvation. That is a very heretical view. The Bible does not teach that. It teaches that in the end there will be universal salvation and all people will be saved. That is not what the Bible teaches. In summary, it can be said that the atoning work was unlimited in its value, for he died for all people. However, in the application of this value, his atoning work is limited only to those who believe the gospel. Believe on the Lord Jesus Christ and you will be saved.